Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation 2 times x divided by 3 equals 6. In this video, we will walk through the steps to find the value of x in this equation. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Identify the equation that needs to be solved. In this case, we have the equation 2 times x divided by 3 equals 6. To begin solving for the variable x, we need to eliminate the fraction. The goal here is to isolate x on one side of the equation. Since 2 times x divided by 3 means 2 times x is divided by 3, we can perform the opposite operation to both sides of the equation to eliminate the fraction. The opposite of dividing by 3 is multiplying by 3, so we multiply both sides of the equation by 3. When we multiply 2 times x divided by 3, the 3's cancel out because dividing and then multiplying by the same number is akin to doing nothing at all. As a result, we are left with 2 times x on the left side. On the right side of the equation, we also multiply 6 by 3. This simplifies to 18 because 6 times 3 equals 18. So, after multiplying both sides of the equation by 3, we get 2 times x equals 18. This completes step 1. Step 2. Now we have the equation 2 times x equals 18. Our objective remains to solve for the variable x, which means we need to isolate x on one side of the equation. To isolate x, we need to undo the multiplication by 2. The opposite of multiplication is division. Therefore, we divide both sides of the equation by 2. When we divide 2 times x by 2, the 2's cancel out because dividing and then multiplying by the same number is like doing nothing at all. This leaves us with x on the left side of the equation. On the right side of the equation, we also divide 18 by 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9, because 18 divided by 2 is 9. So after dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we get x equals 9. This completes step 2 and solves the problem. The value of x is 9. In step 3, we have confirmed that the value of x is 9 after performing the necessary operations. To ensure the correctness of our solution, we should verify it by substituting x back into the original equation. The original equation is 2 times x divided by 3 equals 6. We substitute the value of x, which we found to be 9, back into the equation. This results in 2 times 9 divided by 3. First, we perform the multiplication. 2 times 9 equals 18. Next, we divide 18 by 3. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Since the left side of the equation equals the right side of the equation, which is 6, our solution is correct. Thus, we have verified that the value of x is indeed 9. This concludes the problem-solving process. Congratulations, you have successfully solved for the variable x. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.